All right, so, hey guys. Ahem. So, at the very start of the course, in the very first announcement that I made, at the end of that announcement, I put a course planner. I told you this course planner would tell you what we're doing pretty much every day. That is true. Here it is. Today, we are, quote unquote, reviewing for Quiz 3. I guess that's a little bit of a stretch. But so what does Quiz 3 cover? It covers 5.1, 5.2, 6.1 through 6.5, 7.1 through 7.4, 7.7, and 8.3. Now, what is that? Now, I will say this. When I talk about mathematical structures and applications, pretty much I'm only expecting that you paid a little bit of attention to the quark thing I just showed you. Right? So if you can answer a very general question about that, you should be fine there. But I haven't really covered section 8.3 except for that. So what was 5.1? So the Quiz 3 covers graphs, weighted graphs, the number systems, the different bases, right? Prime numbers, measurement, basic concepts in Euclidean geometry. So mostly it's the story of Euclidean versus non-Euclidean, the different ideas we had about triangles, right? And the parallel postulate. And yeah, I think the majority of Quiz 3 is focused probably more on the graph stuff and the prime number, not the prime number so much, but the different base systems, right? Because if you think about it, there's really not more than about a handful of questions I can ask you reasonably about the non-Euclidean geometry, right? Like, I don't expect that you know the names of all the 11th and 12th century mathematicians I rattled off today. Those aren't even in your book, yeah? I just wanted to give you a sense of what happened, so I hope I did that. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good break. Did you guys have a good break? Yeah. Are you ready for the break to start again? I wish we just had finals before Thanksgiving. It would be so much easier. Right? And then we'd just have like a super long winter break, which would be awesome. Anyway, I'll see you guys Thursday.
Thank you.
Yep. See you.